Nestled in the heart of a sun-drenched countryside, a rustic Mediterranean house stands as a timeless retreat, embodying warmth, charm, and an effortless connection to nature. With its weathered stone walls, terracotta roof tiles, and earthy tones, the home exudes an old-world beauty that feels both inviting and enduring. Every detail, from the hand-carved wooden shutters to the wrought iron balconies draped in vibrant bougainvillea, tells a story of tradition and craftsmanship passed down through generations. The exterior is a harmonious blend of rough-hewn stone and plaster, softened by the warm hues of sun-baked clay and aged wood. Large arched windows punctuate the facade, allowing golden light to pour into the home while offering sweeping views of the surrounding rolling hills and olive groves. The roof, layered with curved terracotta tiles, has a weathered patina that speaks of decades under the Mediterranean sun. A set of rustic wooden doors, adorned with intricate iron hardware, welcomes visitors into the heart of the home. The entryway leads to an open courtyard, where a bubbling stone fountain serves as the centerpiece, surrounded by potted citrus trees, fragrant lavender, and clusters of rosemary. This tranquil space, shaded by a pergola wrapped in grapevines, is a perfect setting for slow, leisurely afternoons spent enjoying the gentle breeze and the sound of trickling water. Inside, the rustic elegance continues with exposed wooden beams stretching across high ceilings, adding a sense of warmth and history to the space. The walls, textured with hand-applied plaster in soft, earthy hues, create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Terracotta tile floors, cool underfoot, reflect the natural light streaming through the arched doorways, enhancing the home's airy, sunlit feel. The kitchen is the heart of the home, featuring open wooden shelving, a farmhouse sink, and a sturdy wooden dining table worn smooth by years of shared meals and laughter. A stone fireplace, complete with a rough-hewn wooden mantel, anchors the living space, providing a welcoming glow on cool evenings. Wrought iron chandeliers and lantern-style wall sconces add a touch of old-world romance, casting soft, flickering light across the textured walls. The bedrooms offer a serene retreat, with heavy wooden doors opening to small Juliet balconies that overlook the landscape. Crisp linen curtains billow in the breeze, carrying the scent of wild herbs and sun-warmed earth. The bathrooms feature deep, freestanding stone tubs, where one can soak while gazing out at the endless blue sky. Surrounding the home, the landscape is a breathtaking extension of its rustic charm. Winding stone pathways lead through olive groves, past fields of lavender and sunflowers that sway gently in the breeze. A weathered wooden pergola shelters an outdoor dining area, where long meals are enjoyed under the golden light of hanging lanterns. In the distance, the sea glimmers beneath the horizon, completing the picture of an idyllic Mediterranean paradise. This rustic Mediterranean house is more than just a home, it is a sanctuary, a place where life slows down, where every detail is infused with warmth and history. Whether basking in the golden afternoon sun or listening to the whisper of the wind through the cypress trees, it offers an escape into a world of timeless beauty and simple elegance.